Hello everyone, it's me Javi from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get search option in device manager program of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just place your mouse cursor on the Windows start menu icon and just right mouse click on it, and now you will see here device manager. Just click on it. Now you can see the inbuilt device manager program window. So here in this inbuilt device manager, we don't have any search option. Even if you click on those options, you won't get any search options. So in order to get a search option in device manager program, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I will be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. After that, on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now just below the assets you can see here divine.zip, so you need to download this zip file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see the application Divine. Just double click on it. So finally you can see the user interface of this software, right? So it almost look exactly like the original device manager, but here you will get a search box on the above, as you can see here. So if you want to search for any drivers or device name, you can just use this search box. So let me type Intel. So now it will show all the Intel device or drivers present on my respective Windows computer. So by using this application named as Divine, you can easily get search option in device manager program of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.